Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha penat kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hilaban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hilaru ban sukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra
Uwe nang Nongïalam Niam jong Evangelical Free Church of India udikon S Chinpu ula kuntu yigi palba jong jala Manipur bakin Ïasangeh na mardor ka jingi snam ka badai tang na kadaw ka jing sngo phel jai bin riu hapadang ki jai bin riu kuki bat ki jai bin riu meitai udikon S Chinpu uwe na padang ki phetwer ubala poi ri tengan yala di hakas nang bilang kata ribhoi district hadin balakhi ka jingi snam ha ka jala Manipur nadu ubanai baladap Nakaliang Nongïalam jong Zomi Welfare Association hapo ka Jingïakynad jong secretary USK mung bar ki jai bin riu hamar kilapan pau ka jing sngongo ya dorbas nong pilang kata kabal ai jing bet ban ri tengan chipor hagni ka snong katba ka jala Manipur kadang don hapadang ka jingi snam.
Fortunately in Manipur we are facing this problem unprecedentedly that we don't expect that this will happen, but due to all these things we could not stay there no longer. And our house has been bound down and our things have been looted. And we want peace, and we want that the peace has returned back as soon as possible. As soon as the situation is normal, we are ready to go back there and settle there and do our normal duty. As we have got many things to do there, or some are working in the office, and we are doing our own business there. So we are coming here for temporarily and we are staying here in this place. We feel very comfortable here also, but the people here are cordial and they are helping us. And I hope that peace return back within this short period. After that, we will be returning back from Guwahati to Pilangata to Imphal as soon as possible. That is our wish and our intention to do in the future. We don't have any other option. We'll be going back as soon as the normalcy is prepared in Manipur.